Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today, I have a floor decor idea that I would love if you guys stay and watch to the end. Stay tuned if you want to see what is up my sleeve today. So the quilted material was making it look too bulky. I took that off and add the foam to the mannequin. So what I did was use floral wire to wire them, and they're all inside. I want the dress to look as flat and form-fitted as possible. I don't want it to look bulky, so I feel like this method, I'm hoping that it's gonna look better than the other one. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all the flowers that I have right now. So I have a deep cleavage cut out. I believe that's a modern look, more modern. So that's what I'm hoping to achieve with this dress. All right, I'm just gonna add some of the greenery to help make it pop. So I can see the foam right here. So if a person approach the mannequin, it's really noticeable. So what I'm gonna do is cut the foam off in a thin layer. Leave behind like a thin layer, enough where it supports the flowers. So the next step I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add some more flowers. I went ahead and I got some more flowers. So I'm going to add some more to the lower part of the dress. I'm going to have to hot glue this part of it because the foam does not go down to this area. So I'm going to use my hot glue and add some flowers to the dress, as well as I have wisterias. And what I did was I didn't like the green leaf. They're just too bright green, so I pull the wisterias off. Again, this is like art, so you just play with it, and when you find something that you like, when you display it a certain way, you just go with it. So I'm kind of like working it out as I go. So now I'm going to add the flowers, the wisteria, using hot glue. Okay, and I also have pampas that I'm going to add as well. All right, so what I've done so far, finished adding the wisterias, added some flowers to the base area, and I added some to the fabric with hot glue. Be careful when doing that because it will go right through, so make sure you put a piece of cardboard if you're gonna take that route. Now, if you wanna finish like this, you can, it's beautiful, you can display it at your event like this. But I wanted to have a little more wow factor, I wanted to pop it. So what I'm gonna do is add some pampas leaves here. Our pampas bush, our pampas. It's gonna go right here. If you wanna see the final look, this is it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is it. Absolutely beautiful. I think I did a great job for my first time. The shape of the dress is just amazing. Nice and form-fitted, not bulky. The pampas just definitely give it a big wow pop, the dress. I can wear this to the Met Gala if I get invited. That would never happen. But anyway, you can put some, add some sleeves on the top just to cover the shoulder area there. Remember to check the description box and for a link for those. The dress is beautiful. It's gorgeous. Any event that you want to display, you can display it without the bottom part of the pampas if that's your preference. I love it just like with a lot on it. So I love the bottom pampas. So this is my favorite look. Pampas on the bottom, pampas on the top. It's gorgeous. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys, and I appreciate you all. Bye.